Airline companies focus on safety. So do we. Safety lies in our DNA. Our balers comply with the highest European standards. Also, the new EN 16500. And this is what our customers have come to expect from our machines.
My name is Hans Lautrup and I'm a sales assistant here at Rema 1000. I use this baler to compact cardboard. It's easy and safe. I feel nothing can go wrong.
In spring 2015, a new standard for vertical balers was released. The EN 16500 demands a very high safety level for all essential functions of the baler. The safety-related parts of the control system shall meet the required performance level. This means that the baler is tamper-proof. A magnetic door switch makes the press plate stop if the filling door is opened. The dual system will identify any failure occurred and stop the machine. Noise level shall be reduced to the lowest possible level. To prevent the door from flying open and cause injuries, you must be able to open it slowly and in full control. No pinch points or open slots. You need to use two hands simultaneously to eject the bale. You must stand outside the area where the bale is ejected and have a good overview. The speed of the ejection must be controlled to secure that the bale lands safely on the pallet. Our balers are tamper-proof due to the advanced software. Therefore, no unauthorized users can manipulate with the safety functions. Bramidan balers are safe by design.